Now in context, right? I think people didn't understand that your video. Did you say you've made sales of 300 million or you have made profit of 300 million?
No, okay. So there's a misconception.
That was a misconception, yeah.
It was not as a commission. It was as a sale.
So you made sales for the company?
Yes, I sold 300, over 300 million.
That was not the money in your account at the time.
That is not the money. Hey, wait. You people should not come out. If you want to look at it, let's be real.
Yeah, let's be real.
If you want to look at it, how many people do you want to sleep with in this industry for you to get to that stage? Imagine you're selling a property of 20 million naira and you're making over 300 million. How many properties do you need to sell? Like how many units? Do you need to sleep with all those people?
But you can sleep with one person that will buy everything. So far, what would you say is your biggest regret in life?
I feel if I knew, if somebody have told me that, oh, as you're in school, you could run and hard, get people to request for this particular property. I, as a person, that person will now go to inspection. Then once the person pays, they give me commission. I really wish I had the opportunity. Oh. It would have been a different story, trust me.
Okay, now to be factual, did you think if you were Unilag, it would have changed anything?
If I was in Unilag, I might have been a dropout.
Yo guys, what's up? What's good? How you guys doing? It's your boy Daki, and I'm so happy to be in your faces again. Welcome to another exciting episode of Flink's Realtor interview, where we bring people who has done exploit in this trade, and they're coming here to tell us their experiences, their ups, their downs, and obviously we also will get to see them, know them, and know what they've been through. We spoke to Brian the last time, and trust me, that guy is notorious. I won't lie to you. I on set first, like, at the point I was scared, like, what am I talking to? So if you can guess, and if your guess is as good as mine, today I have with me the amazing, the delectable, the finest, the sexiest, the prettiest, the gay, kill us, kill them, che. I have with me Grace. Grace, what's good?
Hello, I'm fine.
But let's begin on this note, right, Grace? Some days ago, I was sleeping, I was at home, and I saw there was this Instagram reel that was going viral of a realtor that came out to say she has made about 300 million in sales, and people were dragging her, and then they were like, her wig was not giving. Now it's coming from me. Why are you laughing?
I think the person is familiar.
Okay.
Yeah, so I read it too.
You saw it too, right?
I saw it.
Okay, so it's come from a place where a lot of people just came out to share their thoughts about it. Like, it's not possible. This parlor girl, this tiny girl, because she was very skinny and she wasn't all looking like
that girl was skinny.
Very, very skinny. And she was wearing fake wig. So everybody was like, you think wig is fake, you cannot wear kind of wig and have 200 million in sales. What are you saying? Why are you deceiving? Why are you copying?
From my source, that wig is actually very expensive.
Why are you defending? Do you know the person?
No, like from the source. I mean, like I checked. No, but I checked background.
Why do you want to cry?
Okay, this I am.
Anyway, that was great actually. Some people were dragging you, and they were like, it was not true and everything. How did you feel when you saw the tweets? I mean the comments.
Well, to be honest, actually, it was funny to me. Do you know why it was funny? Because everybody was dragging the wig. They were not concentrating on what message I was passing. And I'm like, it's just wig. Can we calm down? I understand that everybody wants to scream, I have money, I am rich and all of that. But then it's just wig. It's not a problem. But then it was cool.
Okay, you spoke about you being rich. Are you rich?
Oh, well, for my age, yes, I am.
Okay, let's go back to the wig. Popular Afrobeat singer said something about, if you know, who go pay for a wig and hand. So let's start from,
I want to
let's begin from there. There's a lot of talk about how realtors, female realtors, sleep with men and all of that. Now, do you have any sense of truth to that?
Okay, so you see that notion of realtor, female realtors exactly, sleeping with men. Honestly, if you want to look at it, let's be real.
Yeah, let's be real.
If you want to look at it, how many people do you want to sleep with in this industry for you to get to that stage? Imagine you're selling a property of 20 million naira and you're making over 300 million. How many properties do you need to sell? Like how many units? Do you need to sleep with all those people?
But you can sleep with one person that will buy everything.
No, honestly. Trust me. And again, you guys, like, the way they say, like, oh, people sleep around, it's not actually that cheap to sleep around, to be honest.
What is, how they sleeping around?
Okay, so let me explain very well. A person that has that kind of millions of naira to buy a property will not sleep with you just to buy that property. Definitely that person has seen the property, likes it. You are just a plus. Okay. You know what they call takeaway? Or maybe like, don't let me use takeaway actually. It's just like top up. No top up.
Yeah, souvenir.
So God bless you. So you are just a souvenir, not because of the selling. See, anybody cannot come out and tell me that I bought this property because I slept with this girl. It's a lie. They are interested. You are the one that gave them that. Anyways, you can sleep with me. You understand? Just to fast track it. They were going to pay. Just fast track it.
Anyways, let's come back to who Grace is. So Grace, quick one, tell me who are you, what's your phone name, where are you from, and all of that.
Okay. My name is Grace Babalola Titi Lokpe. So I'm from Oyo State, and I'm from Agoare, to be precise.
Oh, you're Yoruba?
Yes, I'm Yoruba.
I wouldn't have guessed you were. You look different though.
I hear that a lot actually, but I am Yoruba.
No, okay.
What?
It's not like you look not Yoruba, like in a good way. So, okay. Let me just
explain what you mean.
No, I'm not going to do that. Anyways,
okay,
quick
off
one
camera
here.
I will.
Trust me, I will never do that. Nice having you on set and everything. Apparently, news reaching us states that you're one of the best realtors at Flings Realty. And why come with the pride and all of that?
No, like, you know when you work for something, you come with the pride.
Now, in context, right, I think people need to understand that your video. Did you say you've made sales of 300 million or you have made profit of 300 million?
No, okay. So there's a misconception.
That was a misconception, yeah.
It was not as a commission. It was as a sale.
So you made sales for the company?
Yes, I sold 300, over 300 million. That was
not the money in your account at the time.
That is not the money. Wait. You people should not come out. That is not the money in my account. Exactly. I'll come and kidnap me. That is not the money in my account. That is what I made. Like, I sold it. So I was just trying to tell people that want to be in the firm, like, okay, you can actually sell this kind of thing. You can do this kind of thing. Yeah. Do you understand? We have a lot of people that they've been there plenty years, many years, and then they are not selling anything. So it's just like to tell them what is going on and what I'm selling. So I sold. Yeah.
Grace, how old are you?
So this year.
Grace, how old are you? Grace, how old are you? Grace, how old are you?
I'm 25.
How old are you made your first 1 million?
23. 23, yeah. 23.
That was 2 years ago. So what were you doing before 23?
When I graduated, I worked with a firm, an investment company. I would not want to mention their name. So after that, I went to camp for service. After service, then I came to Flings.
Okay.
So Flings...
So in your previous firm, you didn't make a million?
Personally?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. But you sold more than 1 million?
Yeah, I sold more than 1 million.
Okay.
But I definitely sold more than that. So, but then I did not make a million as a person, personally. But I made my first million in Flings. Like, I own it myself. It's my money. Do you know how it feels? Okay, I don't want to turn this thing around. I don't want to ask a question, but let's move on.
So I was growing up, like, was it like an easy... Because I kind of feel like a lot of people came out giving us opinion that for you to make your first 1 million at that early age, you must have like one rich parent or one farm, big background that has money, giving birth in billions and all of that. So what's growing up like for you?
All right, so growing up was not actually easy. I don't have parents that have money. Yeah, I did not grow up with parents that have money. So practically, I came from a family where you need to work and make the money. If you want to change your story, you just need to write it yourself. That's the kind of family I came from. Say from my primary school or from when I was growing up, I hawk a lot.
When you say hawk, like you carry something.
You know when you put something on your head.
Oh, you're selling.
Now go, okay. I sold literally everything. So they used to call my mom Olowo. You know when they call it the Olowo? Like you sell everything. So I hawk per season. If there's granite season, I hawk granite.
Granite half season?
Yes, so you don't know. Okay, you know there's boiled granite, all those fresh granite that they will boil. You know now.
The one that they used to break and peel.
Yeah, they used to break. That one that they will boil. It's that season. It does.
Wow.
So when granite comes out, I hawk granite. When a suru, I don't know the English, try and look for it. When a suru comes out, I hawk it.
What is it?
Banana.
Your banana.
When it comes out, I hawk it. Even plantain to sweet potato. A lot of things. Like I practically, so it's per season. As they are coming out, we hawk it on the road. Wow. Raining, sunning, anyhow, you hawk. Because if you don't hawk, you will not eat. It's not like it's a punishment for my parents that you not eat. Yeah. It's just that there won't be money.
True.
So just for you to do that then. So after that, I had to go to Lagos just because of this same reason. to get a better education. Yes, the education there is okay. It's not that it's not okay. But then, who funds it? Do you understand?
True, yeah.
So, it just, and I came from a family of 6. Okay, family of 8. There are 6 children, mother and father. So, and I'm the last born. Yes. And because of that, my parents have responsibilities. So, and then I don't know where it came from, where as a last born, I have this sense of responsibility already from a young age. So I decided to move away so that they can take care of everybody, others. You understand? So I came to Lagos and then did my secondary school with a family. Actually, I do not know them.
How did you meet them?
Through family, they shot through me.
Wow.
So then I did my secondary school, and then after that, my wife, I left them, and then tried to write my JAMB. Actually, I wrote my JAMB once and my post-JAMB once. See, you don't understand.
It's an achievement.
Exactly.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you very much. Both JAMB and post-JAMB once, and I gained admission into OAU.
Did you get the course when you studied or the course they gave you?
Actually, it was the course I wanted.
What course was that?
Guidance and counseling.
Wait, you wrote JAMB when you bought JAMB for?
Yes. Okay, so from the beginning, I wanted accounting.
Thank you.
So before I wrote my JAMB and
you wanted accounting?
I wanted accounting.
So when did you switch to GNC?
But later, I realized that accounting, we have a lot of people in that field first.
Okay.
Secondly, in my head, I used to think that whatever I study will be the thing that I'm going to work with. Do you understand? So when I got into the whole thing, because my sister read accounting as well, and trust me, the job was not there.
Okay.
So I realized that if you want to stand out, you need to do ICANN. When I checked, ICANN is not easy, first. Secondly, the money is much. So I was looking for something that would just be as cheap as possible.
And that was GNC?
Because I was going to sponsor myself.
And that was GNC?
That was GNC. Actually, there were other things. But then I fell in, I think, education. So I had to just go with
So your GNC was even GNC education?
It's GNC education, yes.
Did you finish the first class?
No, second class upper. But why are you asking for my
No.
That's
the thing, with GNC, you didn't make first class.
Can we cut this part? Because at this stage, I think this guy is actually after my... What is it?
No, it's just... I don't know how people say. When I see people study, we say they study mass communication, study theater.
And they don't come out in first class. It's a problem.
And GNC. What do people do? What do people do? People come to class and do what?
We come to class, sit down, blow balloon, and play. Then go back to our house.
And that was the 2-1.
Exactly.
Wow, I'm proud of you.
Thank you very much. Can I move on now?
Sure, definitely. What's my own? But yeah, let's come back. Let's come back to Realtor. So how did you switch from accounting to GNC and then now Realtor?
Okay, so while I was in school, like I said, I didn't come out from a parent, like rich family. Yeah. So I had to do a lot of things myself. Both from, school fees, doing that and all of that. Honestly, I didn't even know I got all those school fees, to be honest. But then I worked. What were you
doing to get those school fees?
So there are times I had to do some petty jobs. There's some that I had to... Okay, while I was in school, I traveled a lot to Lagos, almost every weekend.
So the school was in Ife? Yeah,
my school was in Ife. Okay. I traveled almost every weekend to Lagos. And funny thing is, if you really do not know me very well, you think I'm coming to Lagos to come and do a show. I come to Lagos most of the time to clean houses.
People's houses?
Yeah. So I learned interior decor that time. Not that I really went to learning. So the person I stayed with when I was in secondary school, she was into it. Okay. So I just put my faces there. So most of the time I just link up with people that already have, they have people already. So they just call me, then I just go do it, come back to school, and like that. Sometimes. So
that's how you were able to fund your university and all of that?
Yes, and then they were friends too. That was really helpful.
Oh, okay. So far, what would you say is your biggest regret in life?
Well, biggest regrets, I think not really getting an opportunity to work as I never knew that you could actually work while you were in school. No, not like manual work. Okay. I could do something online for yourself. For example, now this, I don't want to be too all about real estate, but then that's just basically what I see. Do you understand? Like, I feel if I knew, if somebody have told me that, as you're in school, you could run an ad, get people to request for this particular property. I, as a person, that person will now go to inspection. Then once the person pays, they give me commission. I really wish I had the opportunity.
Oh.
It would have been a different story, trust me.
Okay, now to be factual, did you think if you were Unilag, it would have changed anything?
Honestly, to have been, if I was in Unilag, I might have been a dropout.
So wait, why?
All right, first, Lagos is expensive for my lifestyle there. I could stay in Ife, in a house where I pay 20,000 naira for a whole year as house rent. Where will I get that in Lagos?
Like, describe the house.
A room.
To yourself?
Yes.
For 20,000 naira?
For 20K.
How much is the hotel in Lagos again?
Exactly, per day. So that's what I mean when I say I could have dropped. And apart from that, feeding, a lot of things, transportation, a lot of things in Lagos, very expensive. I don't think I'll be able to afford that kind of lifestyle with the kind of person I am. Honestly, that was my question. I mean, that was actually my answer.
Makes sense. Okay, so Grace, for someone this young and for what you've done and how much you've made, I'm aware you also have a car, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
So you have a car, you have money. It's looking like you don't have a man in your life. You probably have you have everything that everybody should have. I don't know. I could be wrong, so I'm asking, do you have a man?
Okay. Yes, I have a man.
Okay. I'm happy for it. So for those of you who are actually wondering, yes, she has a man. She just explained that she has a man.
Thank you.
And for those that don't believe too, we are all here. Let's see how it goes.
Are you not a man?
Yes.
Would you drop 40 or let me say would you drop 45 million naira to buy a property you do not verify at all? And just because you see a lady that has backside and just say, oh, I trust you, that property is genuine, and would you drop that kind of money and buy it? You are a man. You think so? You like her. So say it.
So the thing is, I would actually, yeah.
When I want to go for inspection, I ask myself one question. But answer that one question in 3 different ways. Okay, so in Lagos State now, they are demolishing houses here and there. How sure are you that this is your property? Lagos State will not just come and demolish it. Now, the first question as a realtor is, of course, no, they will not demolish it now because the property is registered under Lagos State government. Is the right question, right?
Right answer.
I'm the right answer, right?
Yeah.
That's one answer. Let me give you another answer. Oh, no. They're not going to, they are not, this area, no, they've never come here at all. Actually, if you find out again, maybe they've not demolished anything. It's another right answer. Just 2. And let me give you the third one. The third one is, okay, I understand that they're actually demolishing houses. But you see, our property majorly, we don't build on a new land. We buy rather existing building and demolish. So these houses have been chained there, have been there for years, 15, 19 years. Do you understand? And governments have not done anything about it. They are not coming. So that means the land is safe and secure. Apart from that, the document is backed up. As a client, if I give you those answers, which one do you think will convince you the most?
I think I'll take the last one.
Exactly.